I feel like the spring market has arrived early ahead of the spring, and we're definitely in full mode right now. I think there's good options for good listings for the buyers, and I think there's a lot of buyers for our listings. So I think if there's a time to, make a move, I think this is it. I do realize that the interest rates came up a little bit, but that's not something you have to be married to. You can recast or refinance down the road, and when the interest rates drop, you already have your house in place and you can change the interest rate.
I'm seeing that the spring market is definitely here in full force. Across all price points, it seems to be busy. And the slight increase in interest rates has not really seen a broad pullback from buyers, which is good for sellers. It's also good for buyers because it's telling them it's okay to proceed with your plans.